This video will show you how to perform steering angle sensor calibration using the smart diagnostic system. The procedure in your vehicle will be the same as in this video. Plug your SDS into the DLC. Then confirm your vehicle and VIN. First, select Workshop Tools. Then Steering Angle Sensor Calibration. ABS, Anti-Lock Braking System. All sensor calibration. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the procedure. End. That's how to perform steering angle sensor calibration. For more information, please visit us at Innova.com.
Find the problem, fix the problem.